In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear all messages and media files received in a WhatsApp group at once. This is actually going to ensure that your phone memory is not filling up fast, because sometimes what happens is that you may be a part of a huge group in which you get a lot of pictures or videos each and every single day, maybe 200, 300, 1000 pictures or videos every single day. So in such a case, your phone memory is going to get full. Apart from that, I'm also going to give you a tip through which you are not going to see your phone memory fill up. And I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device. So the first thing is get hold of your Android device and open WhatsApp. And then you search for the group that you want to delete everything, like clear the messages or delete video files or photos or whatever it is. Just do a search. And then you could see all the messages and video files or all the pictures out here. Just click on the menu icon out here, click on more, and then click on clear chat. And then you get a pop-up like this, which tells you also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. Ensure that this is checked. If you click on clear chat, what is going to happen is that along with the chat messages, all the pictures and videos are also going to get deleted from WhatsApp plus your phone memory. So this is going to ensure that your phone memory is not filling up. Now, apart from this, what I would recommend is that you do this. Get to your profile and then you scroll down and click on storage and data. And here to the bottom, under media auto download, click on the first option and uncheck this. Click on OK. Second option, uncheck everything. Click on OK. The third option also, ensure that everything is unchecked. Now, once you do this, whenever you receive video files or pictures, it is not going to get auto downloaded to your phone. So if you click on that picture in the WhatsApp chat, only then it is going to get downloaded. Otherwise, it is not. This is going to ensure that your phone memory is not automatically getting filled up. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.